Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. So first, we open TikTok. Then we go to the profile. Then go to followers. Now click on the person we want to block. Then after that, click on the share icon on the top right corner. Then we click on block. And just click on block. So as you can see, this profile is already blocked. Now, if we want to see the blocked accounts, we go back to our profile. Then after that, we click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then we click on settings and privacy. Then we click on privacy. Then we scroll down and click on block accounts. From here, we can see all accounts we have blocked. Additionally, if we want, we can unblock the blocked individuals from this section. So, if you cannot block the people you want, it could be due to a bug in application. So, to resolve this issue, you can uninstall TikTok completely and then reinstall it. So, just delete TikTok's data. So, you just go to settings and then just go to apps. Then go to manage apps. Then go to TikTok. And just press the clear data and just press on clear all data. And then just press OK. So just uninstall TikTok and reinstall it again. So now, if you already do that, you can check if the blocking feature is working properly. So I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!